Good day, Bagumbongians! Welcome to our new normal class. I am Mr. Zoran P. Valdissimo, and here with me are my co-teachers who will also be your teachers for the whole school year.
That's correct. You do not only have one teacher for this school year, but you have 5 teachers. I am Mrs. Tessie Andres.
Tama ka dyan, Ma'am Tess. 2 heads are better than 1. 5 pa kaya? Di bongga, di ba? I am Mrs. Feli Conde.
That's correct, Ma'am Feli. Together, we are doing the new normal form of teaching and learning process. I am Ma'am Pamela Cruz.
And together, let us learn about Grade 10 Housekeeping. I'm Sir Vic Abad.
We
are your housemates. So we are now in our week 2, and our topic is in housekeeping is all about set up equipment and trolley. So to the learners. So when you say to the learners, it pertains to you class. Okay. So this module is designed to acquire knowledge, skills, and attitude in performing the housekeeping tasks by providing a series of learning activities to achieve the following learning competencies. So number 1 competency is provide housekeeping services to guests, and number 2, prepare rooms for guests. Read the instructions below to accomplish objectives intended for each lesson. So here are the instructions. Number 1, read and understand the content of each lesson. Next, follow the instructions carefully to perform the activities given. You may ask guidance from your teacher or guardian to further understand the lesson. Assess yourself and apply the concepts and skills that you have. Perform all activities given following the instruction. And the last one, have fun learning. So let's go to expectations. So when you say expectations, these are the things that that you are going to expect from yourself. Okay? After going through this module, you are expected to: number 1, correctly select and demonstrate proper use of tools, materials, and equipment according to the task requirement. Next, properly set up trolley, caddy with cleaning materials according to needs and with institutional standards.
Good morning, students. So now let us answer your pre-test. So all you need to do is to prepare your self-learning modules and another sheet of paper if ever your teacher wanted to you to write your answer into a separate sheet of paper, and also write your name onto that paper. Okay, and we administer the pre-test in order for us teachers to assess if we have some prior knowledge about our lesson for this week. So, yun ang gamit ng pre-test para malaman kung may alam na ba kayo sa magiging lesson natin para sa ngayong linggo. Okay. First, question number 1. What electrical equipment is used to scrub sticky stains that can't be removed by a mop? Letter A, scrubbing foam. B, cloth. C, scrubber. D, vacuum cleaner. Number 2. What electrical equipment draws dust and other particles in a container by the suction motor? Letter A, scrubbing foam. B, cloth. C, scrubber. D, vacuum cleaner. Which absorbent is made from paper used for dyeing, rubbing, and cleaning spills? A, cloth. B, paper towel. C, mop. D, dusting cloth. Number 4. Which of the following cleaning supplies is used to eliminate odor from the room? A, water. B, detergent. C, foam. D, baking soda. Number 5. Which of the following is used to shine the floor? A, abrasives. B, box sweeper. C, polishing machine. Or letter E, scrubber. Number 6. Stock the linen on the shelves with folds facing blank. A, inward. B, outward. C, forward. D, backward. Where should the trolley be placed so people would know that you are working? A, near the fire exit. B, corridor. C, inside the working station. Or letter D, outside the cleaning. Number 8. What is placed to one end of the trolley to keep sold items? A, bag container. B, dust bin. C, brush. D, linen. Number 9. Store the trolley properly in the service area away from blank. A, fire exit. B, doorways. C, both A and B. And letter D, none of the above. Number 10. Which of the following is not electric cleaning equipment? A, scrubber. B, box sweeper. Or letter C, vacuum cleaner. Or letter D, polishing machine.
Looking back, for previous lesson, you have learned the different housekeeping office forms such as housekeeping report, room status report forms, losses and damage report form, maintenance order or service request form, key endorsement form, control form for borrowed items, physical inventory sheet, laundry voucher, damage advice form, and inventory variance report. You have also learned how to handle queries through telephone, fax machine, internet, and email, the basic telephone etiquette, and the common problems related to housekeeping services and ways on how to handle it. With this, you are now ready to familiarize other important things that are used in housekeeping, especially the guest room.
Hello everyone! Welcome back in our channel. We're going to continue the lesson in TLE 10 Housekeeping. We are now on lesson 3 and our topic for this lesson is set up equipment and trolley. In here, the housekeeping attendant should have broad knowledge and skills in cleaning and preparing rooms for incoming guests in commercial accommodations establishment. Cleaning supplies and materials required servicing rooms are properly selected and prepared for use. Supplies for trolleys are identified and selected or ordered in sufficient numbers following the enterprise procedures. Also, the trolleys are safely loaded with adequate supplies under enterprise procedures. There are two categories of cleaning materials. Number 1 is manual cleaning material and the second one is equipment, or these are the materials or equipment that uses electricity. So the first thing that I'm going to discuss is the manual. Okay, number 1 is the abrasive. What is abrasive? So abrasive is used to sharpen stones or grit papers used to polish metal or wooden surfaces. In short, this abrasive is used for cleaning metal surfaces. Okay, number 2 is the brushes. So what is brushes? It is a handy flat brushes used to remove dust. So this is usually used in corners. Okay, next one is dustbin. So dustbin is used to collect daily garbages in hotels. So it is sometimes made up of plastic or metals. And then for the next one is dusting clothes. A dusting clothes is soft clothes used for wiping surfaces and dust. Usually, when there is a wet part wet part, they use this dusting clothes, and sometimes they use in the bathtub or in the wash bins. They use these dusting clothes to remove the wet.
Next is the housekeeping trolley. Housekeeping trolley keeps all the guest room and bathroom supplies in an organized manner. If you're going to take a look at the picture of the housekeeping trolley, so it has layers. So usually, the heavy loads or heavy materials are placed below. The first part are like for example, the bed sheet, and then the comforter. So it is where they place this in the trolley. And then the second part, we have there the bath towel, the bathrobe, and then for the first layer, we have the hand towel, face towel, bath mat, floor mat, and pillowcases. And for the top most of it, there are different trays. So bedroom and bathroom amenities is also placed on the top part. So ano ba yung mga nandoon? Like for example, may mga division yon. Yung division na yon, it has toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, small lotion, and then yung iba may hair cup pa, tissue, coffee, creamer, stirrer, tea. So yun yung mga usually nakikita natin sa ibabaw ng housekeeping trolley. And then next material is the mop. I'm sure you're familiar with the mop because not only in hotels, we also have these at home. So what is mop? Mop is used to wipe the floor also by absorbing wet surface on it. So that's very self-explanatory, right? And then the next one is the janitor's trolley. What is the difference of janitor's trolley and housekeeping trolley? So when we say housekeeping trolley, it keeps all the guests and bathroom supplies in an organized, while in the janitor's trolley, a trolley that stores cleaning supplies such as detergents, soaps, dustbins, so lahat ng panglinis, yun naman ang nakalagay sa janitor's trolley. And then we have here the scrubber. So what is a scrubber? So when you wipe the floor using the mops and the stain doesn't remove, all you have to do is to use the scrubber. It is used to remove sticky stains that cannot be removed by mop. Next is the bottles, spray bottles. These spray bottles are used to spray water or chemical solution in surface. They transfer these chemical solutions that they use mostly in the CR in these spray bottles. And then we have here the caddy. What is caddy? It's not doddy, but it is caddy. Caddy is used for storing cleaning tools and supplies in an organized way while cleaning. So, kung mapapansin nyo class, yung iba, yung mga pumapasok na housekeeping, meron silang mga lagayan. Doon nakalagay yung mga materials. So, we call that as caddy. Hindi nakalagay yan sa planggana or kaya sa pail, sa balde. Ang tawag doon, yung may mga organizer, para hindi magsama-sama. Ano ba yung mga nandoon? Brush, spray, yung wet cloth, doon nila nilalagay para hindi isa-isa nilang hahawakan. So that's all with the materials, manual used material. And now we will proceed with the second category, which is equipment. So when we say equipment, usually it is heavy or big materials, and uses electricity. So number 1 is back sweeper. What is back sweeper? It consists of a friction brush that moves on the floor, clean floor, and carpets. So in hotels, mostly, they use carpet. So they use this back sweeper instead of using soft broom. They do not use soft broom in hotels, mostly inside the rooms, but instead they are using this back sweeper. But in our home, we use soft broom. And then the second one is vacuum cleaner. So what is vacuum cleaner? I know that some of you uses this vacuum cleaner, or most of you have this equipment at home. It draws dust and other particles in a container by the suction motor. So, hinihigop or sinisip-sip niya yung mga alikabok or mga dumi using this vacuum cleaner. So, minsan, yung mga hindi natin nilalabhan ng mga material, like, usually, yun ang ginagamit nila na pang-suck doon sa mga dust. And last one is polishing machine. So, may mga area na wala siyang carpet. So, ang ginagamit nila ay polishing machine. Ano ba ang gamit ng polishing machine? It is used to shine floors. So, minsan naglalagay sila ng wax instead of using the ordinary material in shining the floors. They use this polishing machine. Okay, so that's all for today for our materials and equipment in housekeeping. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Bye.